The district of Bassetlaw has the lowest infection rate in the Look North region, but as part of Nottinghamshire, it's facing the same controls as other parts of the county, where numbers are among the highest in England.
Just ask people what you think about Worksop being lumped into the restrictions with the rest of Nottinghamshire.
Oh, we're just saying it's all nonsense.
Do you really? Yeah, why do you think that?
Because its rate is low here.
This restriction, I think it's a load of cobs, wallops, to be honest.
It's either blanket punishment or not at all, because it's like my dad lives in Derbyshire. He's got completely different restrictions to what I've got.
The local MP has questioned the restrictions imposed on Bassetlaw and says the council should have helped him oppose them.
We know that the outbreaks in Nottingham City have been very serious and the areas surrounding there, so I think it's only sensible that actions are taken. We weren't necessarily convinced that they were right for us at this particular time in North Nottinghamshire, so we're asking for those restrictions to be looked at on a local basis, but unfortunately we'll all be included in it.
This afternoon, Bassetlaw's council leader said there was sense and science behind the area being in Tier 2 restrictions.
These are decisions made by the Health Secretary, Boris Johnson, Rishi Sunak. Those are in London, with laws enacted in London that the MP is responsible for. So I think the MP needs to take his grievances elsewhere, because the priority has to be tackling the Covid-19 crisis here, supporting people here.
After floods last November and closure during the first virus peak, Susan Hale says her business is suffering.
I would have rather put us in Tier 1 or in Tier 3, where we would have got the financial help in Tier 3. In Tier 2, I've had bookings cancelled already, and I'm not getting no financial help from that. So what are we supposed to do? We're just lumbered in an area that has got a lot of greyness to it. There needs to be a lot more guidance and control with that, and there isn't any for the industry at all. You know, I've survived 8 months being closed. Let's hope I can make it through Christmas.
If infections continue to rise rapidly in Nottingham and other parts of the county, Bassetlaw could see itself placed in even tighter controls, even if rates here remain low. Ian White, BBC Look North, Worksop.